Let her rip, Tater Chip. This car's got to be really cool to drive, right?
Yep.
I'm sure it turns a lot of heads, not only because of the look, but the sound. So we're running open headers right now, right?
Nope.
No? Oh, really? Okay, cool. Let's let her rip, Tater Chip. Yeah. This is a 1956 Chevy Bel Air that I'm rolling in on Route 66. Actually, it's on Beale Street, off of Route 66 in Kingman, Arizona. And I'll tell you what, man, you're in the heart of Route 66 right here in Kingman. Life does not get much better than this right now. I am thrilled to death to be here. Robin's a really cool cat. His last name is Beers, like my second favorite word in the whole world, besides next Beers, get it? And he's gonna open the headers up to make people happy, because people love to hear open headers, especially in rides like this. All right, hear that? Hear that? That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Definitely head turning, isn't it? Dude, this is bad, man. 572 cubic inch engine, running over 600 horsepower with open headers. Life doesn't get any better than this right now, especially in downtown Kingman, the heart of Route 66. That dashboard, it's all digital dash right there. All right, now it looks like you have a power brake system there.
Yeah, it's a power booster.
And so you have disc brakes. You said you have disc brakes all around?
All the way around.
Any particular manufacturer? Did you go with
Bear.
Chevy?
Bear.
Okay, Bear brakes. Oh, very, very respectable.
Yep.
They're out of Phoenix.
Yep.
Yeah, no kidding. And this is a nice big fat, is that like a 3-core or 4-core radiator right there?
Three, and it's got 2 fans.
Okay. Let's look at this. Oh yeah, there you go. Nice.
You can see how tight that fit is.
Yeah, I do. It's really cool. Because that way you don't have to worry about it overheating, do you? Look at that. Man, serious distributor cap.
When you put the 572 in a 56, you have to redo the firewall to recess it so the engine will fit.
Oh yeah, I see that. I see that.
Yeah, you have to recess the firewall.
Wow, that's pretty neat. Music to my ears, and hopefully to your guys' ears as well. Remember, Monster Cars with Eric. Like, subscribe, share. In the meantime, folks, drive it like you stole it. Till next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching that last video. I hand selected a couple videos for you to watch right now. Click here.